Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily visualize your files using the Filestack CDN and take it to the next level by demonstrating how to use the preview and slide document viewer from Filestack. To get started, we need to add a functionality to our button named Check Curriculum. We'll create a new function that shows a new model and displays the document in it. And then we are going to use the Filestack CDN link and our file handler to display the document. But that's not all. We'll also call the preview feature from Filestack. This is where things get interesting. With the preview feature, we can embed the URL in our page as an HTML iframe element, thanks to Filestack's convenient preview method that generates and embeds these URLs. To make it work, we just need to add an iframe to our model with a specific width and height and define a specific ID for it. Then, in our function, we'll show the model and define our iframe element. We'll set the URL in our iframe tag, which includes the generic Filestack URL, preview functionality, and the file handler. And now, let's see how it looks in action. When we click on the Check Curriculum button, our model will pop up with the document displayed in it. And that's it. With just a few lines of code, we are able to easily visualize our documents using the Filestack CDN and preview feature. But we are not stopping here. Let's take a step further and see how we can use this in the company's portal to check all the information uploaded by the workers. Now, let's see how can we apply this to our company's portal, but now using the slide feature from Filestack. Here, we have a database of job offers, and we want to be able to see the application's image for each offer. Fortunately, with Filestack, we can simply use the image URL saved in our database and the CDN link to display the image into our portal. And now, let's give some functionality to these three buttons below. When clicked, we want to open the respective files in a new tab of the browser. To do this, we'll create a function that takes the URL as a parameter and opens it in a new tab. Now, let's apply this function to each button with the respective URLs. And for the curriculum button, we want to add an extra feature, the slide functionality from Filestack. To do this, we'll modify the URL to include the slide keyword and the file handler. With just a few lines of code, we have added some convenient functionality to our company's portal. And now, let's see it in action. When we click on each button, we can easily view the files in a new tab. And for the curriculum, we can even use the slide feature to navigate through the document. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to integrate Filestack CDN and features into your application. Thanks for watching.